Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About x, we can put into 3x minus 2x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. This one by negative number 2. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So, number 4, that is about 2 squared. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. S plus 3, s plus 3, we can do about factorization. Now, we need to simplify s minus number 2 on numerator and denominator. So I will put number 2 going here and here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.